Today, I want to look at what I believe is quite a meta scenario that we built in Make. The reason it's meta is the video that I'm creating now using Screen Studio goes into a folder, and then that folder is actually processed using this scenario. The reason we did this is I wanted to, well, first, and this is why this module is here, I wanted to delete videos from my Google Drive after 30 days, so it's not creating storage. Or not using up storage, because I'm getting those announcements, you're 90% full in your Google Drive, you need to pay more money. So I thought actually when these videos are done, I want them to be deleted after 30 days because they've already been processed. They're processed using another flow that we created, which I've covered in another video. It's basically the social media flow. So this one's very specific to this, but basically it will monitor the Airtable records. So once the video is created, I put it into Google Drive, it's added into Airtable. Again, this pulls out the different functions or the different variables from Airtable. Instead of deleting it, it's now being moved from my personal Google Drive to the business Google Drive. And the reason that that was important is that my personal Google Drive is synchronized to my laptop. So when I create these videos in Screen Studio, they get downloaded to my computer and uploaded into a specific folder in Google Drive on my desktop. This gets uploaded, it gets processed by Airtable. And so actually I thought, instead of deleting it, let me get it out of my personal drive and into my business drive so that if we need these videos again, we can use them. And if you look at the folder in practice, it will get cleared out after 30 days. And we might even make that instantaneous, but for now it's not as big a deal. So watch as Airtable. If video has been in there for over 30 days, we need to change that to move, but it will move it from personal to business to the two cores Google Drive, and then we'll get a notification in Slack just to know that it's happening. This is actually a really good example of a simple automation that can help do things, because this is something I would never remember to do ever, and then I'd come in here in like 3 years and delete a bunch of things. So this means that it stays quite organized, keeps my personal Google Drive, leaves space in there, but also allows me to, and the reason it was going to my personal Google Drive, as I said, was I don't have my business one synced on my computer, because maybe you can. I thought you could only have one Google Drive synchronized. Maybe you can have two, but I wanted to reduce a step for myself. I didn't want to download the video to my desktop and then upload it to my business Google Drive. So this, maybe it's because it's a lazy process, but it works incredibly well to keep things organized, and I know that things are being moved around in the background. Can you think of any examples where this might be interesting for you? Any questions on this, let me know. And if you want, I can send over the link in the video to the social media mega flow for you to take a look at. Have a good one. Thanks.